Okay, 10,000 likes and Mitchie will shave his beard.
Sound better.
I'm not.
What's on the agenda today?
Not sure, but we do have a bunch of roof wraps. So yeah, and it's really hard to cordle in. Once you can't pull the antenna off.
The 2018s? Yeah. Yeah.
Today we're doing amber deletes in smoke. We're going to be doing all of the reflectors, smoke taillights. Last thing is on his trunk line. He got a little bit of a scratch on there from putting luggage in and out of the car. So we're going to be throwing a white carbon strip on there just to kind of protect it. So it's going to be a little bit pretty much invisible, but it's a thicker material, so it's going to be able to protect the bumper and stuff like that. Everything but the
Trunk.
The trunk piece is provided on the website. If you wanted to do that, you can purchase our material and knifeless tape, and that's basically all we're going to be doing for the project.
Be late, huh? I'm sure you have a good.
Go get Johnnee bleach to dye his beard.
Sick. So what's happening today, Johnny?
Johnny's getting cold feet. Well, it's gonna work today, Johnny. So quit complaining.
This is for all the downforce, bro. 200 downforce points for this one.
Filling up our calendar.
Yeah, we're pretty booked.
I was asking about the follow-up on those wrap gloves. After how many weeks? Month?
It's been as long as I've been sick, so yeah, 3 weeks, about a month.
He's doing stronger than you are.
Yeah, Glove's doing a whole lot better than me, bro. Still solid, no holes. Just gotta basically keep kind of cleaning it, so it looks dirty, but basically clean it every day now just to keep it from scratching stuff. Still applies vinyl and doesn't scratch anything, but yeah, I'm kind of doing a segment, so.
Sorry. Do you wrap vortex generators?
No.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. We'll tell him when it comes back.
Back to the segment. Wrap Glove's holding up, so shout out to Wrap Glove.
What's up?
Hey, it's cracking, G.
Heard you doing car washes before Main Street.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's gonna be busy. So.
How much?
$30 exterior and $45 for the interior exterior.
Scared me. What's up, dude? I like your sweater.
That's
a cool sweater. Show the camera your sweater.
Yeah, you guys are hood rats in that scene, basically.
Wow.
Tuners, yeah.
Did I nail it?
Let's give it a little
So that's hard, yeah.
Shameless
They're gonna be
plug.
on
Shameless
it.
plug?
www.premiumautostyling.com. Go get one before they're gone.
Aren't they already gone?
I keep taking them, so probably.
How are we doing on that flash sale?
We're completely booked.
We're completely booked now?
Yeah.
Even after yesterday's video, they filled it up?
I've had it filled up for a
The
while.
26th through
So we're done with
30th.
the flash sale.
So flash sale's done?
Yeah, flash sale's done.
Okay. Tight. So everyone's pretty much in grind mode. Finishing up the Mustang. Mitch is cutting some material. Anthony's shipping orders. Guys are in a meeting. Daniel's out of a meeting.
I walked out.
Finally.
I'm done.
Nice.
What's up?
How's it going? I'm Daniel.
I'm Luis.
Nice to meet you, man.
From Chicago.
Chicago?
Yeah.
Did you drive here?
I took a plane, but she drove me here. She lives in
Nice.
Ontario. Just wanted to see you guys. Get some merch.
Appreciate
to rep
that,
you
bro.
guys.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
What brings you out here?
Just wanted to say hi to you guys and.
Are you in
see
town
the
for a few
Rams.
days or what?
Yeah.
You come to our show?
Actually, I'm gonna go to Beyond. And yeah, just came to see the family and stuff like that.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Well, on Sunday we have a car show. I don't know what day Beyond
We
is.
leave on Sunday. That's the
Gotcha.
thing. So I
See?
wanted to see what time does it start.
Our show on Saturday starts at 1, ends at Sunday, 1 to 6.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I've been saying Saturday.
Okay.
Even in the vlogs, I've been saying that. I keep hoping that it's a Saturday because I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
Well, dude, pleasure.
All right.
Pleasure meeting you, bro.
Nice to meet you
I
too.
appreciate you repping and coming in and visiting us. It means a lot. Take care, man. Yeah, absolutely. You guys have fun at Beyond. And
Yeah.
don't party too hard.
I'm trying not to.
So I believe this is the last drop off of the day. I think this is the first of the roof wrap flash sale people. Lauren told me that it's totally capped off. No more roof wrap flash sale. You guys totally killed it from the last vlog. That's only been up for, I'd say, 12 hours. So we'll let you guys know when the next flash sale is. We're thinking banners, so let us know what you guys want for the next flash sale, and we'll see if we can get it approved by Daniel.
How's that? Am I in frame? Yeah. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been asking about when we finish up projects not showing the completed results. So I'm gonna try to make an effort every time we finish up a car, just to go over details with you guys and show you what we're doing. So we'll go in, we'll get a little closer just so you can see what's going on here. How do I focus on that?
You gotta go back.
Got it. Okay, so maybe you just film this. Sorry.
I told you.
Just go over the corners, go over the details, let people see what the heck we actually really do. Because on YouTube, you can make yourself look great. You can make yourself look great. We all know that. And you guys do a great job of making us look good, but let's show them how we really do. When you get your roof wrap anywhere, the things that you want to make sure before you go over there and actually commit to it is how they're going to tuck everything and what they're going to do. In this case, what we did is we removed the rails here, so everything got tucked all the way down below. And then also, this seal gets pulled back and everything gets tucked in there. I've seen people do roof wraps and actually not tuck in here, and then what happens is you have a white line all the way along the back, and it just doesn't look good. And I know when I say that, some of you guys have already experienced that. I know for a fact because it's very common. We see roof wraps coming in all the time, done that way, and it looks terrible, and it makes you not want to get a roof wrap. In this case, when it's done right, it looks like it's painted. It'll last for 1 to 2 years. You remove it and you got a nice clean roof under there. Just get it done right the first time. So make sure if you're getting your roof wrapped anywhere you're going, you ask them these questions. Ask them what material they're using. Ask them where they're gonna tuck, what parts they're gonna remove. If you can see here, the antenna is still removed because they're over there wrapping it. So when we do any roof wrap, we remove the antenna. As long as we're able to do it, it's removed, wrapped, and put back on. All of the trimming's taken off and everything is actually tucked under the seal, and it looks good.
Bam!
Pop the molly, I'm sweating.
Woo!
What's the status on those tiger banners?
So last night we put up, actually we said we were gonna put up 10. I put up 20, and good thing I did because 12 of them sold. So 12 of you bought. Still has a few available, and hopefully they pick up. We're gonna keep redesigning. We're gonna do a bunch of different designs. We have some snow camo. We have that snow camo like in white, red, blue. So some dope, cool graphics coming soon. The tiger camo is a little crazy. I know it's not for everybody. I personally like it. It's on Mitch's car out there, so make sure you go get a shot of it to show what it looks like on the car. Because I think outside it makes a big difference. Yeah, they're selling. Thank you guys. We appreciate the support. And we're going to keep bringing new, custom, cool digital graphics and trying to change it up a lot for you guys. So thank you guys.
Back from lunch. You guys are putting back together the Nifty's car, and it's leaving today. And we still got to wrap the bumper, but he's still got to test fit his little side skirt thingy thing. Anyways, here's Mitch putting on a door handle. Hi guys.
So I feel like when people are talking about wrapping their cars, bumpers are usually the biggest concern. And yeah, it definitely is the hardest part of most vehicles. All bumpers are different. You can look at that one right there. That's very complex. It's gonna take some time. We have a bumper over here that I just got back from lunch, literally 5 minutes ago. Came in, started working. The crew and I actually pulled the panel in place, we glassed the material, and at this point, 5 minutes in, this is what it looks like. So yeah, bumpers are definitely hard, they're doable, so don't be concerned. You know, especially with the bumper like this. I think in 30 minutes this whole thing's gonna be done. Just something not to be so intimidated by. Most cars, bumpers are actually pretty straightforward. This whole car in general right here, rating this car, I would say this is like a 3, 4, very easy car to wrap, as opposed to over here with the Rocket Bunny kit and all the stuff and all the complexity of the bumper, you can say that's a 6, 7. What's the hardest car we've ever wrapped, Mitchie? Like, as far as complexity, because a lot of times when we talk about wraps, what was the hardest car you ever wrapped? For us, wrapping is easy, so it's not the hard part. The wrapping's not the hard part. It's usually the disassembly of the vehicle and stuff like that. But what do you think was the hardest wrap we've ever done, car-wise? Not disassembly, but wrap. Lamborghini was definitely hard. Yeah, there's a lot of lines on that, and then the color that we went to, actually, that was actually pretty easy color change.
So if you guys don't already know and didn't watch the previous video, Johnnee underestimated the YouTube fam, so thanks for coming in clutch, by the way. But he said if that video got 1,000 likes, which it did, it's at 1,400, I believe, he's gonna dye his beard red. We tried yesterday, but it didn't really work, so we got some nice quality dye. Bleach.
Gotta bleach
Bleach
it
and dye?
first. Yeah, we have to bleach it, and then we have to dye it.
Dylan Swanson said, are windshield banners purely for looks, or is it just supposed to act as a sun tint or something? Well, actually, yeah, they look awesome, and they also cover out the sun, and that's why I have one on my car.
You should pick the hashtag winner, Johnnee.
Does that mean I have to go on the video again?
Oh yeah.
Okay, since I'm Daniel now. Wait, I still gotta keep going. You guys have so many comments, it's not even funny.
You're on the hashtag car show, right? The last video?
Oh, what? So I'm just kidding, yeah.
Did you see yourself yet? Oh, you have. You turned your camera.
No, he can't.
I hope you have.
I haven't.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, hey, 10,000 likes on the next video.
Mitchie
How many?
was okay.
10,000.
10,000 likes.
Yeah.
10,000
You gotta say it. 10,000 likes and what?
I don't shave my
You'll
beard.
completely shave your beard?
Sure.
Will you leave it off forever?
No.
10,000 likes.
Please like the video.
10.
Everybody, please like the video. Make him shave off his beard. We want to see how beautiful and how.
What's the number?
3,000.
10,000.
His skin's probably so healthy down there, just like beautiful. It's been protected for the last 2 years.
10,000?
10,000 likes.
likes?
Okay, 10,000 likes, and Mitchie will shave his beard.
What do you think, Jefe?
So we're probably not gonna get 10,000 likes.
That looks bad. That's gonna work. That one, that time is gonna
Did you hear the
work.
new one?
No.
10,000 likes? And Mitch is shaving his beard.
Yo, guys, I will PayPal you guys $1 for each like. I'm just kidding. Yo.
Damn!
I just realized that's $10,000.
Yeah.
Yo, Daniel, can I get a cash advance?
Did you pick a winner yet?
Yeah, actually, I'm about to do that right here. This
Okay.
I finally made it to the very bottom.
3, 2. There you go. He's scrolling. He's scrolling.
And bing!
Who are you picking?
Cameron Hooker.
Cameron Hooker?
Or Hooker. Sorry, dude.
Hooker.
Hooker.
Cameron Hooker.
Hey!
Go ahead and screenshot that so you don't lose it. Hi.
Comment to him.
He wins a portrait of El Jefe wearing nothing but a hat.
For you, bud. For you.
That is so
I'm so scared, bro. I'm so horrified.
Oh, it's red. It's so red.
It's freaking red.
Oh my god.
Bam!
I'm tripping. I can't stop looking. Hold on. Let me see.
Daniel just kept staring at him. Oh.
You need a face swap him now.
That's crazy.
I messed him up.
Did you get it?
No, I didn't get it.
How's it going? Good, how are you? Good, man. How you doing? I'm Daniel.
Dylan.
Nice to meet you, man.
I just wanted to come in and just say, like, I'm a huge fan. I watch a lot of the videos.
Sweet.
I can see I'm going to be on it.
You're here. You're on. Yeah, definitely.
I wanted to just talk to you because, like, I don't have a lot of experience with cars. I love cars. Cars are my life. But I want to get into vinyl wraps and body shops or whatever. And I was wondering if it would be possible, not anytime soon, because like I work a lot and blah blah. But
yeah,
if it'd be possible, to maybe like come down every once in a while, kind of do like a training.
I do pretty
kind
often,
of thing.
you know. So like, I've had a couple guys come in and we work them. You know, we have enough work, you know. So the first thing when it comes to wrapping the biggest thing that we struggle with is not the actual wrapping itself. It's taking apart vehicles, getting things prepped and cleaned and ready to go. So that's like the bottom of, I don't want to say the bottom line of the shop, because that sounds wrong, because I appreciate what they're doing in there, but it has to happen. It's the first thing that happens. So cool. All right, Dylan. Well, we'll see you soon.
All right, sounds
good. Yeah, definitely. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you guys have a good, safe trip home wherever you're going.
So as you guys can see, my beard is red. So you know, we went through with the whole likes thing. Thank you guys for liking the video more than 1,000 times. Unfortunately, I did have to dye my beard. But anyway, if you guys get this video to 10,000 likes, which we're all really hoping, because our boy Mitch unfortunately has a really patchy beard. So we want him to shave it off. We want him to kind of have a new stage of his life, new restart. So yeah, if this video gets 10,000 likes, he'll shave off his beard and we can see his beautiful baby face again. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. We do have our 200,000 subscribers giveaway. So at every 100,000 subscribers, we give away a full car wrap, and we'll fly anywhere or drive anywhere or ride kangaroos anywhere, and we'll wrap your car wherever you are. If you're in, you know, Wakanda, which is, or just anywhere, we'll wrap your car for free. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but we've been really putting our heads down, really working super hard on these two cars we got in there. The only reason for that is because we have our Main Street closure event coming up this Sunday. So if you guys don't know about that, and if you guys maybe want to come say hi to us or come see a super dope car show, all the details, just go follow Instagram, Main Street Closure, and you guys can get all the details for that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.
Tomorrow.
Oh,
tomorrow.
No, it's supposed to